From darkness into light, from sorrow into joy, from being lost to being found.
Jesus,
I was walking without direction, searching for a place to rest. I carried burdens on my shoulders, and my heart could find no peace. Then I heard a gentle calling me to come back home. You reached me in my weakness, and you told me I wasn't alone. You didn't turn away from me, you didn't count my failures. You opened up your arms of mercy, and you called me into grace. The darkness could not hold me, the past could not define me. Your love became my freedom, your salvation gave me life. I was lost,
but you found me.
I was far,
but you called me.
I was broken, but you restored me. Now my heart belongs to you. Zoputa,
Zoputa, Zoputa,
yeah, Zoputa,
Zoputa, Zoputa,
yeah, Zoputa,
Zoputa, Zoputa,
Abugi kantu kwasidobi.
Zoputa.
You rescued my soul,
You gave me new life
you brought me from darkness
into your marvelous light.
Zoputa.
Forever I will praise your name.
There is no other name like Jesus, no other hope can save, no earthly treasure can compare to the mercy that you gave. You lifted me from condemnation, you gave my heart a song. You placed my feet upon the rock and taught me to stand strong. Now I walk in your forgiveness, I walk beneath your grace. I know that I am never alone, for I can seek your face. Every morning brings a reason to remember what you've done. The salvation you have given is a gift beyond compare. When I was drowning,
You reached for me,
when I was wandering,
you led me home.
when I was drowning,
You reached for me,
when I was wandering,
you led me home.
when I was drowning,
Zoputa, Zoputa,
when I was drowning,
Zoputa, Zoputa,
when I was drowning.
Zoputa,
My hope is found in you.
Zoputa. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus,
Onye zọpụtara m, onye nyere m ndụ, onye bụ nzọpụta. Just, I will tell the world your story. I will testify your grace. I will tell them how your mercy found me in my darkest place. Not because I was deserving, not because I was strong, lives and Jesus lives. When I had no strength,
You became my strength.
when I had no hope,
You became my hope.
when I could not find the way,
Became my way.
when I was lost,
You found me.
when I was broken,
You restored me.
when I was far away.
You called me home.
I remember who I used to be, and I remember the mercy that changed my story. I could have remained lost,
But you came searching.
I could have remained broken,
That you brought healing.
I could have remained in darkness, but you showed me your light. So today,
I don't take your grace for granted.
I don't take your salvation lightly.
My heart belongs to you.
From darkness into light, from sorrow into joy, from death into life. Zaputa,
Zaputa.
from darkness. I was walking without direction, searching for a place to rest. I carried burdens on my shoulders, and my heart could find no peace. Then I heard a gentle calling me to come back home. You reached me in